you can make a different design, for example like this one. So roughly, so take a look at here. So first the floor plan, this point here is center. Okay, Samson, I use red color. So this one, here is center line. Okay, center. Okay, here's center. Center is here. I'm gonna make the table. Okay, table. So 1, 2, 3, 3 foot. Okay, make a bigger table. Okay, 3 foot. 1, 2, 3, 3 foot. Okay, roughly table here. See, table. Okay, table, and this spot. I don't want a reception desk. I want to keep the chair. Okay, face to face chair. I can make it here center line. Always remember here center. Okay, so here center. I want to make the table. Okay, I'm gonna make a table. Make a table, and this here center. Okay, here. I want to make it a chair. Here, chair. Face to face chair. That's fine if you want a chair. And make a 1, 2 chair. Here's coffee table. Here's a desk if you want it. Look, here's desk. It's up to you. And also this spot. Okay. So here not too many change. Okay. Here not too many change. Depend on only floor maybe make some change. Make some change. Okay. You decide do you want arrow rock or not. Okay. So this spot. So I got this is a plan view. Elevation view. Okay, elevation this time depend on your style. You can make elevation which is not show from here. Make sure which is not show from here. So let me finish this one. So this is a floor. Make this spot is floor. Okay. Floor plan. Okay, floor plan. This spot like this. Here's the desk, and also a coffee table, and the chair, and 2 chair, and the table. Okay, this is a console table. Okay, and this spot, if you want to design, this one, this is a elevation. Elevation from here. Okay. Elevation from here, elevation. So this one, I want to make this one. Nothing change for this one. Nothing change for the this one. Just keep proportion. Keep proportion. I'm going to keep this. Keep this door. Keep this door. Okay, keep this door. And this one, here's a push button, and don't forget the base. Keep this baseboard. Okay, make a design. And this is a push button. What is this design? You can change design. Okay, change design. I make a 2 panel. 1, 2, 3, roughly here. Rounding, look like that. Depending on design, I make a very classical design. And this part, this is a frame. You can add a frame. It's a typical.
Can we add details like weight binding on this part? No.
You need this is refining.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everything you need to refine. You need to apply here. Apply. For example, if you got this one, if you got a level, If your logo, if you get a logo, that's wayfinding. Logo, okay. And also you can make a different design. This one I said more detail. This part I'm gonna add the frame. Okay, frame. Very classical design. Okay, I make this design and this part. Okay. Make it classic. Okay, and the top I add a trim. Okay, I add a trim. I add a trim depending on your design. And also I do think this one I want to increase this size. If you want to increase, I want to make it a little bit taller. So right now this one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I want to make it 12 foot. That's fine. If you make it 12 foot, increase to 12 foot. Okay, it's up to you. If you want to increase 12 foot. And also the ceiling, I got a ceiling, this part 12 foot. And also I can add another detail. Okay, it's detail. Okay, and also ceiling, I want to add a ceiling. I want to add the cove light. Eventually, you can add a cove light. Add another ceiling. Okay, I make the cove light, and here another cove light here. We are not going to show structure detail because the structure detail that's if I show structure detail, that's a section. I just want to make an elevation. So take a look at this borderline. This borderline is really important. This borderline. Okay, so now eventually I want to make this elevation like this. Okay, so this is just for sketch. Yeah, but eventually this is just a freehand. I'm not keep adding more detail. You can add more details. I make a very classic this design. Okay, details look like this panel. I don't want you make it like this wall. Like this, you don't need a design. They are not going to hire you. Anybody can do that. Make sense? It's hard to read. So eventually, so here's a chair, sofa. I want to make a sofa. Here's a buffet, a desk, okay. And also here, make sure I find the center point. Center. Let me mark down 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's right. 1, 2, 3. 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Yeah, this is a middle point. Middle line. I find a middle line. Okay. I got this is the coffee table, roughly coffee table. So here's a chair. Just mark it down roughly. Here. Okay. Here's a coffee table. Okay. Just mark it down. Freehand. And behind here there's the object, plant, and this part. This time just a freehand. Here's the elevator. Okay, elevator. Okay, I just make the details. And here this is a panel. This is 2 foot. Okay, I make a 1 foot panel. 2 foot panel. Here's a 1 foot panel. Here's a base. Okay, big base. I just roughly make like this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, until here. Panel all the way to here. Panel, okay. Different style. Up, or I can make it taller. And also top. I'm going to increase a little bit this size, increase a foot. So right now, this is, do you remember I said 11 foot? I try to make it 12 foot, okay? 12 foot, I increase this size. Increase, make sure find the vanishing points. I increase, like last project, I extend this line. Find the vanishing points, okay, freehand. And this part, I try to make it a niche. Okay. Make the day bed 2 foot, maybe here. Okay. Baseboard. Base. Okay, don't forget, and also here's elevator door. Wood panel, okay. And here's another level, okay. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna ink it. So this one just this rough sketch. Make sure, okay. This is not a final nice ink. It's not a final ink yet, okay. Just the sketch, this stage, okay. Just a stage. Okay, so right now this is let me see this. Okay. So this is a door. Take a look at it right now. I make it just like this, just a few pencil line. Okay, so right now I ink it. Freehand ink. Here door. Never missing detail. Okay, and also don't forget, here's I make it a double line. Double line. Okay, here's another door. I'm not going to make all detail, okay. Just a freehand drawing. And here detail, the base. Never ignore that base. And also panel here. You can keep this size or reduce this size, doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 foot. Maybe 2. Here up down I make smaller. This one makes smaller. No problem. Okay. And this side I make the panel all the way. Panel all the way until here. Until 11 foot. I make a big molding. Okay, big molding. And also this part I make a trim. Okay, trim roughly from here up. This is a 24-inch width. I still have a 12-inch width one. Okay, just detail. And also here. Okay, panel. Just for decoration, okay. See, I just got a decoration. Just, and also here on the top, still another piece of decoration. Okay, just add more detail. And at this spot, here's a chair. Desk. Oh, here's the middle. Okay, that's fine. Here's a freehand, and there's a table. Table, okay. Above the table here, accessory. Above the table, accessory. Some accessory from table, okay. And also corner, I can make some plant, sculpture, or any furniture. Corner. And the ceiling, I said this ceiling, I make a different design ceiling. Here, day bed. Vanishing point VP, make sure VP here. Everything needed to here. Here the day bed. See that, day bed. And also this part you still have a similar design element. Okay, you still can make a design element. Okay, panel, each panel, I don't know. Each panel. Just a freehand, make a roughly idea. We add the detail. Oops, this one here. See, and also ceiling. I want to make the cove light. Okay, here's another ceiling. Pendant light. Still include the pendant light. This is very close. See, I just roughly. And the arrow rug here, arrow rug. And this part, just the floor, maybe floor, little bit pattern. Pattern this part, I don't know whether you have a pattern. Yeah, I just add a simple pattern. Okay. And also reflection, freehand. Okay, freehand. Then I'm gonna ink the borderline. See, right now I get this one. This is just roughly. Oh, I forgot it. This I want a marble floor. Okay, marble floor. Marble floor. We have to make access to vanishing points every 24 inch. Make it slightly bigger. I don't want to make it 12 by 12. 12 by 12 seems really small. Okay, just a freehand. Then I use a piece of white paper underneath. Yeah, this is not a final. Next week I'm going to draw with straight edge. So this time just take a look at. Is that looking good? Okay, is that looking good? Yeah, take a look at this elevator lobby. Okay, we got this one. The final, we got this joint. We got this joint. So here's a traditional. I make a traditional wood panel. Okay, here floor, which is marble floor. Here I change the sitting area. I change the seat. Maybe it's hard to read. I make bold the line a little bit. Okay, make it stronger, so you can read better. Here, 2 chair, coffee table. Here's the day bed. Okay, day bed. Here's sitting. We got a cove light. Point is here. So this part, vanishing point here. See, you have to include these 2 vanishing points. Okay, must be included. Then I put here, then I take down. Okay, vanishing, always remember vanishing point here. Okay. Then take down this one. Okay. I can put it one middle. Right here. Okay. Then top. Take down. Okay. I take down this one, use the tracing paper. You have to use the tracing paper. Okay, so tracing paper, you don't have to use light box. Okay, you don't have to use light box. Light box is not necessary. Okay, so I need to go back. I have this one. I go back to find the vanishing points. Okay, so here from any line from here, I extend this line. Take a look at extend to here. Mark down. Use pencil, color pencil. That's best choice. Okay. Then here's middle point. Find it from here. Okay. Then from ceiling here, I provide you here switches middle point up to here, then from point to here, extend to here, perfect. I can find a third line to confirm this point. Okay, perfect. So now I find this point first. This point, this is VP. Okay, vanishing points. VP, first the vanishing points, another vanishing point, which is from here. See, you extend this one to here. Okay, then from here, top. Okay, then find the third point. Okay, perfect. It's here. Okay, good. So from theory, I can use a T-square. I align this one from here. Should be one line. So this is a line, which is a horizontal line. That's horizontal line. Okay, horizontal line. And make sure I make this one only for 2 points perspective. We're not working for 3 points. I would say 99% interior space we use a 2 points perspective. Okay, 3 points perspective is not friendly. Only working for if you have an atrium, totally open to ceiling, the 3-story, like the mall, big shopping area, we use 3 points. Typically interior, We just typical residential like this one or the, like this type of small office. I just use a 2 points perspective. Okay, yeah. And also make sure all vertical line, which is you can see parallel, vertical parallel. Okay, vertical parallel. Okay, vertical. See vertical. I can make one guideline. Guideline just help me later. Help me. So I make this line. That's vertical. I make this guideline. So this guideline just help me later if I wanted to make a vertical line. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So like this floor plan, depending on your floor plan. I give you this one, this floor plan, so right now exactly represents this one. Okay. Last class I mentioned about the from here, you can keep the reception desk depending on your research, depending on your design. Okay. You can keep it's good if you just keep the reception desk. Okay. But anyway, this time I'm not keep reception desk. I'm gonna working for the chair. Okay, I'm working for chair. Last class I decided 2 chair. This time I just decided couch, and also behind this one. Behind it, you want to keep the flat this wall, okay? Or if you want to make it. If you want to change, you can change that. No problem. Okay, you can change. You can modify. Okay, so this one, I can make a. Anyway, I'm working for okay. I have this one. So this one, I just keep this the elevator door. Okay, if make sure and also make sure here's center point. You mark down this is center. You always know here's center. Okay, always know here's center. From VP, always connected to this one to center. This guideline. Okay, from ceiling. Do you want to keep? Are you comfortable with this ceiling? If you feel good, you can keep this size, or you can change size. So this time, this is ceiling. Take a look at the ceiling. Ceiling height. Just think about a unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got an 11 unit, and also a foot per unit, which is 11 foot, right? 11 foot. Okay, so you decide, are you comfortable 11 foot? Okay, if you feel 11 foot is not bad because for our small lobby. Make sure this ceiling, that's 8 foot, look at. Extend up, here, extend up, okay, extend. If I want to find a 2 foot, okay, I extend this line, take a look at from here. This is guideline. Okay. Guideline. I can do this. I can make a diagonal line. Diagonal. Take a look at diagonal. Diagonal line. Connected to the opposite corner. Okay, perfect. Extend this one to here. I get a 1 point. I get a 2 point here. So take a look at. Make a diagonal line, opposite corner. 1, 2. So which means I extend 1 foot, 2 foot. Okay. So find that exactly connected to VP. Connected to VP. Take a look at. Vanishing points. Here. See? Here. Okay, perfect. So another one, VP. Okay, see? I extend. I put a 1. White paper behind it, you can read better. Okay. See? I make this space. Can you see that? I increase. Take a look at from I make this vertical line from here. Then I connect opposite corner. One opposite corner. Take a look, opposite corner. That's from theory connected.
So you
One,
have from the corner
two.
of the elevator?
No, great,
Oh, okay, I see.
great. That's look like a grade from here. Great. Okay, so here's a line. If you connect from any corner, the corner opposite corner, here, all a line. That's from theory. Okay, yeah. So which means I exactly increase 1 foot, 2 foot. So which means right now, this ceiling is 11 plus 2, it's 13 foot. Okay, 13 foot high ceiling. 13 foot high ceiling, don't forget, if you want 13 foot, I cannot guarantee this is a good choice, because if you make a 2 foot, like this paper, you have to add 1, 2. Okay, make sure final your floor plan. If you modify your elevation, both elevation absolutely you didn't match your floor plan, match your perspective. Okay, yeah, you can change absolutely no problem. Okay, you might ask, take a look at it. From this plan, I increase this one a foot, or 2 foot. How about here? Absolutely, entire ceiling we increase 2 foot, right? Yeah. Okay, that's something. How can I make a decision for this corner? Here's the corner. Okay, so right now it's here. If I want to increase something, okay, so take a look at what can I do. So actually, how about here? How can I find how to hold this spot? This spot first, before you work in this spot, you have to working for this spot first. Okay, this spot. So now take a look at from here. From here, I increase, extend this line to here. Okay. So make sure that. So now I find a point from here. Okay, then move up. Vertical line, you have to make a guideline. From here, move up. Then you have here, connected from here down. Connected to VP, vanishing point, right vanishing point, VP. Okay. Yep. From here, all the way down. I find a point here. This point, I connect this line to here, then I make it connected to vanishing points. VP, left VP cannot see that. Connect it here. Okay. Then, perfect. I make this line, then vertical line. Okay, so that point, that exactly this ball from here, take a look at. So this is exactly 13 foot from 11 foot. Working for 13 foot. Take a look at. I put this paper behind. See, that's right now. That's indicated 14 foot. Although sorry, 13. Okay, from 11 to 13 foot. Okay. So I increase size. So you consider your concept. You can research, find the inspiration picture. Okay. Okay, elevator lobby, make a few sketch. Okay, I make a few sketch, maybe like this. Okay. So this one. So typical first. Okay, I get this shape. And here I get a elevator. Here's a this is door, this is wall. Make sure the I have a little bit. So typical this part stand still. Okay, most of the time stand still, but anyway, depend on maybe the mill work. This is hard work, not hard work. The wood panel, you can move wood panel. So this one typical, that's still stand still. Okay, but you can include the pattern, no problem. Okay, and this part could be wood, could be stand still also. So anyway, this one I can roughly make this size. Okay, I make okay.
So we're gonna, last class I talked a little bit about metadata.
Negative VP, here's VP.
And how to add it into your
Okay.
images. Photoshop, but I'm gonna do that next class. But once you
So I give elevator, the header from the elevator, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 foot. 8 foot elevator. Okay, 8 foot elevator. Okay, I make this shape.
and this becomes really helpful when some of these major conditions, it will automatically calculate the copyright info and how many cases have so metadata is really great, and we can do additional SEO I think watermarks are great. When I was back
I make an edge, little bit edge, elevator. Oh. This could be stainless. Then surround that, I'm going to use wood. Surround that wood, okay. So wood. I'm going to working from here.
but I just like think about it, it's just like a topic you're not about. Any other questions about copyright? Will this hide a little bit? Okay. Alright, so before we do mock-ups, we'll go ahead and do our breakout groups for your tech week. So in your groups,
Detail.
you'll present your wireframes, talk about the look and feel you want out of your website. Some of y'all I know have gotten how to start on your website, so you know.
Because ink it, final ink, I'm going to trace from that later.
About 10 minutes.
So right now, take a look at everything is red color. Okay, I just get the this is tall, stainless steel, and surround that. I'm going to use a wood material. Okay. This one here. Just the details. Okay. And here's some detail.
Go ahead and start. We'll do about 2 minutes.
Okay. The flow, I'm not changing this side, the flow is similar. Okay, take a look at, I use this one. See, I add a little bit more details. Okay, details. And also, depend on your design, this is depend on your design, okay. Baseboard. And also this part, this part, which is here. Okay. I find the middle point first. I find the middle point. The middle point from this one. I'm not going to work in this one. Middle point to find. You can find it from here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 7 foot. Okay, 7 foot. Center. Okay, so this is center point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, so this is center line. Okay, this is center line. I count it from here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is exactly center line. Okay. Center line. Oh, center line. I said this. I want to extend it 13. Okay, center line. I'm going to put a couch here. Couch. You decide. Depend on last project 2 quick sketch. I make a couch. Okay, the 24 inch. You can go back just roughly 24 inch per. That's per seat, per 6. That's 24 inch. 24 inch. Take a look at. You can take a 24 inch. That should be pretty decent size per person. Okay, 24 inch per person. Yeah. So you decided because I need to make sure the and also this one connected to VP. Okay, so I need to make sure the 24, if I want to set for 3, 1, 2, roughly 2 here. Here, so I redraw. Okay, here. I want to make a chair, and also behind the wall, you decide how do you want this wall. Okay, depend on your design. Okay. Here. Under table. Yeah, under table. Then take a look at. Okay, and also this couch. So you can read it. Here's provide you the grade. Okay, here. I include the arm. First I make it every 6 inch. 6 inch. Because 6 inch you can find it from here. Very easy to find. Half from 12 inch to 6 inch, right? Okay. Yeah. This part. Here, okay. So roughly seating. Just here. arm. Okay, good. So this one, depend on your size. The couch, this one is couch. Depend on size. Do you wanna the back? Standard couch, which is make sure the seating area. You can check roughly 1 foot 6. I want my couch 24, maybe too low. But 36. 36. The arm. Like this size. 36, roughly a little bit lower. Okay, 30 inch. Okay. So right now, last class I make this one's very random sketch, right? Very random sketch. Okay, so I tried working from this one more accurate as possible. Okay, accurate as possible. So here's up this. Here's 24 inch, maybe 24, 30 inch. 2 foot 6 until here, okay. 2 foot 6, okay, until here. Okay, good. Perfect. And standard, I make the seating for couch. Yeah, that's 1 foot 6 lower. Okay, roughly until here. Okay, and also always include the leg. Okay, don't forget include the leg. I want to include the leg. Then I'll make this couch. Make this couch, tufting chair. Okay. Okay, I get this chair. I find it from here. Find it. Okay. Then you decide. So this chair, do you wanna armrest? And also behind that. Behind that, we can add object. Let me see. Here. So which means you decided you wanna push back. Okay, so I can do this. That's different design. I can start from here to here. Then this part, this is from center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 from center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 from center. From here. I'm going to make a little bit recessed shape. Recessed. This part of you, if you want, you can recess. You can recess. Little bit of recessed. Okay, and also recessed from how tall is it. So this part, I can recess the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 foot typical, that's a standard. Take a look at it. 8 foot, that's a standard. Okay, 8 foot, that's 8 foot. Standard. I try to make a different level. Give it 8 foot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 foot out here. Good. 8 foot is a standard. From vanishing points. Okay. Then connect it to VP. Perfect. Okay, that's 8 foot. Okay, but you still can modify this, but you still can modify. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now this is overall shape. Behind that, I try to make the picture. I try to make a picture, and also I'm going to keep working this part. Could be. I'm going to keep working this part. Could be the panel. Okay, could be panel. Panel. I got this one. And the floor, you decide the floor you wanna. I wanna use wood panel. Okay, wood panel. This part could be marble, could be wood. And this part I add more details. Okay, so this one, this is you must be matched. Okay, must be matched. Take a look at. I get a panel. I get the frame. This frame. Here's a panel. Okay, here's a panel. Before this is just the detail, and also I can working for the ceiling. Okay, I've been working for ceiling. So this time you decide: are you comfortable this ceiling? Okay, or you can increase a foot up. Increase up. Right now this is I said that this is 11 foot. I increase 11 foot to 12 foot, 13 foot. Okay, so 11, 12. I think 12 foot for me, that's enough. Okay, 12 foot for me. Okay, make sure ceiling. I'm not saying it's higher is good. Just make people feel more comfortable, but not as higher as possible. Okay, not as higher. I try to increase that. If you want to keep 11 foot, that's perfect. 11 foot is not bad. Okay, I give it 13 foot. Okay, I just save this one. Save this one. Okay, if I saved, I can confirm. I'm going to confirm to this line. Until here, and also this part is Samsung. This part right now, this is 13 foot, but I'm not using 13. I use 12. I feel comfortable 12. It's better until here. So which means this ceiling, which is all the way from here to here, I increase a foot, but make sure that's not mandatory. If you want to keep the same size, totally fine. Okay, I just give you idea. I increase one. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So next step, you can add a detail. I'm going to working for ceiling. I'm working for ceiling before I'm working for wall panel. So ceiling, okay, so I start from here, start from this point. That's your ceiling line, ceiling edge. Ceiling edge, you have to connect from BP. Take it out from here. Okay, all the way to that way. Then, this is center line for this ceiling. I'm going to connect it to vanishing points. BP to here. Okay, perfect. So I find it from here to here. So this is exactly center point from this space. Center point. If you wanna pendant light chandelier, this is center. If you wanna exactly center from this one, so that point is here. I marked down. Okay, I marked down that point. Okay, this is exact center. If you want a pendant light, but I'm not going to make pendant light, but I'm going to make the take a look at. You still have to consider about your ceiling. I'm not make it too complex. I just make one the big increase a foot up, but a great system. Oh, I got a mistake. I tell you what mistake. Center point is here. So this is not big deal because this is not a final ink. Center point is here. Center point here up, all the way up. Suppose connect this line here. I marked down wrong one. It's supposed here. That's not a big deal right now because I just start. Okay. So it's one mistake from here to here until here. This is I will call CL. Now this. CL. Okay, CL. Yeah, CL. CL. So now, yeah, I got this one. The ceiling. Ceiling, you decide. I wanna. Here's. Take a look at it. Here's. I'm gonna use this one. The center, which is here. This center. Take a look at center point. Then move up 1, 2, 3. Eventually, I'm gonna make a light here. Here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me see, is that looking good? For light, that's okay. See, this is sitting. I just make a simple cove light. Okay, here's the light. Here we can make some shape here. Okay. So now I'm gonna use you still can use grade, use this grade, use grade here. This is up here. Here's a line. I'm gonna continue this line. Keep this line, okay. Then this part. 1, 2, 3 until here. 3 foot. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see from this side. 1, 2. Oh, that's correct. Here. Okay. So now I can make a vertical line from here up to here. So this one here, then connect here. Okay, now I'm going to make a guideline connected to VP. Here, then here. Okay, so where to stop this one? Stop, you decide. You go get it, but now we don't have a reflexivity. Roughly, if I want to make a stop to there, so go back to 1 unit. You can see go back to 1 unit, 1 roughly. So 1 unit is here. Then I bring up to here. Okay, then connect it to VP. Validation point here. Perfect. So now I get it. Take a look at. I use this sheet here. I got this one. So this is the door, and this is the edge, and this is open. This is now open. This is just the ceiling. We just open this space. Maybe we got a cove light we can add later. Just make design. Okay. So take a look. This is very. I try to as more detail as possible. This is not ink. After drawing, you still have to go back ink. Ink is, I would say, is for drawing, for rendering is very important. But from this step, red line is more important. Okay, red line. Yeah, so this step you just add a guideline, not guideline, yeah, floor pattern, okay, floor pattern. So next step I'm gonna ink it. Next step ink it. Okay, before ink, I try to working for red line, vanishing point, connect the vanishing points. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I can ink later. I don't have to make all. And here it's like this. And this is wall. I'm gonna match. Before I working for this wall, you can see here's the door. You are gonna make a door panel. You are gonna make the door panel. Okay, door panel. Door panel. I'm gonna working for the wood panel. Wood panel. Okay, wood panel. I'm working. Make sure baseboard. Baseboard. I can make it a big baseboard. Okay, big baseboard. Roughly like this. Okay. So I need a match. Eventually, I'm going to match here. I'm going to match this panel. Match that. Okay. Make 4 inch. Make a design. Okay, here's panel. Make a panel. I'm gonna trace later. Okay, ink later. I'm gonna ink later. At a big baseboard.
I think he's here for the TV.
Hey.
You trying to get that on?
Yeah, turn on. It's not working. Yeah. I tried to connect that. Yeah. You can try that.
Okay, I'll take a
Yeah.
look.
Yeah.
Try not to disturb you guys.
Yeah.
Do we ink it with micron pen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Micropen. Ink. Micro. You can ink a micropen. Micropen ink. Ink micropen, and also the about before this step will take a long time. This step. Okay. Make sure this step. I would say I'm going to spend 80% time working this step. Ink is won't take a long time because you already finished design. So this process you have to think about design. So because you design this one, you have ready for next project. This is project 3, design drawing. Project 6, which is a floor plan elevation. Then after that, you're going to render. Eventually, you're going to transfer this to whatever final you want to use a color cancel paper, or you want to use a marker paper. Okay, but this time just trash paper. Trash paper, yellow color or white color. Okay. Good.
So when you trace it with the micron pen, is it on trash paper?
Trash paper. Trash paper also.
Always. And
Yeah.
freehand or?
This part move down, here move up. You can find the exact point. Then connect the 2 vanishing points. Okay, from theory, this is a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. Okay, and a vertical. Take a look at vertical, which is indicated this is all vertical. I suppose parallel line. Okay, I give you grade. You can find it from here. You can find the grade, and also you have to match. Okay, so each grade here, which is indicated the units. Okay, units. So units, you can see, for example, width from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Point to point, which is 12 foot. Okay, 12 foot. 12 foot you can find from here. Take a look at from this floor plan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's perfect. 12 foot, right? Yep. Okay, 12 foot and ceiling height. Ceiling, you can find it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 units, which is 11 foot. Okay, you can find it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. I'm good. I extend the 12 inch. I extend the 12 inch. Okay, you can if you want, you can extend. Okay. Okay. So this sheet, take a look. I pre-draw that. Okay. So this sheet actually take a long time. This page. Okay. After that, you are going to transfer to ink drawing. Okay. So, and this part, I'm going to working for freehand. You can see I'm working for freehand. Okay, freehand draw. I make a small sketch. Take out this part. Okay, I make this part look like this. Okay, like this. I get a chair, sofa, and also I get a two under table. And also this is a I get a pictures. Okay, I get a 2 pictures. Okay, I get a sofa, table, and also floor. Do you wanna make the tile or hardwood floor tile? I'm gonna make the tile floor, and also this part. Do you need an area rock? You decide. Do you need an area rock or not need an area rock? So, and also here's the table, and also I make this one recessed picture, and also I'm gonna make a sconce, make a lamp here. Okay, so here I increase a foot up. Yep. And reflected from the floor plan. Take a look at. I modify a little bit floor plan. Take a look right here. Floor plan. And this part niche, I extended this wall. Extended this wall. Okay. Extend. And this is the couch. Coffee table. I use a very traditional style recess, and also you have to reflect this part, this detail, to elevation. I add these details. Okay, I add these details, and also this part. This is entire wall. Okay, entire wall. Okay, wall, and also I add a lighting fixture here. Yeah, lighting fixture, and also I get a picture here. Yep. Okay, so here just the decoration. Okay, the ceiling I'm going to make the cove light. I get a one cove light here, another cove light here. Okay, if I want to make a cove light, okay, I need to draw that. Yeah, keep the draw. Before ink, I'm gonna add more red line. Red line is really important to make sure red line, okay. Make sure the red line, yep. I'm going to sharpen my pencil. And also I'm gonna move close this one. I'm gonna move close. Maybe this one looking better. Just make this. Easy to adjust. From here, center. So which is from here count. I'll find a center line from here. Because you don't have to show center line, but I still show that. It's here, here. No, this one maybe I put it here. Let me see which one is good. At the same time I'm working here. Maybe bigger one. I make this one for same time design. Okay. I can find a center here. This is center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, roughly here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. 7. Okay, here. This is center. Okay, this is center point for lighting fixture. 7. Make sure. Okay, 7 units. 7 units. It's a little bit hard to read here. A little bit hard to read, but we still can do that. Absolutely. Okay, let me put my glass. Okay. You count. Here's center line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from here center, let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, perfect. It's here center. So roughly this part I give it 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 2 here. Okay, like this shape. I make a chandelier here 4. So which means here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so from here center, roughly 1. So here up. Let me see. Here up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Back down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 foot. 4 units. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here, connect to VP, another 1, 2, 3, 4, connected to VP. Okay, perfect. Then this part, here center point. 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to here. So this part actually you can estimate sometime. 1, 2, 3, 4 to here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here move up. From here move up. So this is exactly, let me see. Oh, by the way, I move up 2 foot. This is the center. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Until here. I need to move up a foot. I need to move up the center. So from here, transfer to here. Okay. Then move up. That's supposed here. I got a mistake. Here's center. That's center point. That's let me see. Center. One, two. One, two, three, four. Here, roughly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 3p. Vanishing points, okay. Double check one. Let me double check this one. Yeah, let me double check this one. Center 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here up the, let me double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 7 here. Up. Okay. So which means connect to vanishing points. This is here. Okay, perfect. Go to here, then 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 4. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. Until here. Let me see. Line here. I can move this line. If you get a mistake, no problem. I'm going to modify a little bit. Modify. Until here. Here. I think this is too close. If you feel too close, absolutely we can modify it a little bit. It's too close. I do think this one should move to here. I can use the eraser. Okay, now I move to here. Take a look at it. It's a little bit confused really here. If you feel too busy, absolutely. Okay, erase a little bit before ink, okay? I think it's here too busy. Okay, this one seems better. Okay, so this part, so this is a ceiling. Okay, I'm going to make the opposite corner. Yeah, that's the exact center point, perfect. Opposite corner. Okay, yeah, perpendicular light. Yeah, I can add perpendicular light. Is the exact center point, perfect. Okay. Then I'll go to validation points. Okay, great. So I'm gonna add a pendant light. Okay. Later I add a pendant light. Yeah. You don't have to apply too many detail this one. Okay. Okay, then the light, I'm going to add the recess can light. Okay, recess can light. Let me double check recess can light. We get a light. Recess can light I'm going to put here. And this part I'm going to add more light. This light actually is from here, middle, and here's that's too close. I'm gonna add here. Here, this one here. So this part I give it every 3 foot. Every 3 foot, okay. 3 foot. I can start from here, light. Here, light here. Fire here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3.5. So this is center line. I just add one light here. Okay. One light here. Yeah, you can add a pendant light. Or the recess can light, okay. Recess can light, and also let me see anything else. Before ink, we can add more detail as more as you can. Yeah. Here's this edge here. Okay. And this part, this wall actually right now, you decide you want if you want to keep this wall, you can keep wall panel. Okay, you can keep wall panel. Yeah. Let me see. Wall panel. Yeah, this wall panel. You can add some design if you wanna. You can add some design here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this door. There's a marble. I'm gonna make a marble. Okay. Marble. So this is wood. This one, the wood or marble. Okay, that's pretty much everything. And it is a hardwood floor. Make here every 24 inch, 24 inch every. Okay, yeah. 24 inch. Here's a table of the center 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Table accessory, you can add any accessory. Okay. Pictures, let me see pictures here. This is center. I make pictures. Center. One picture. Another picture. Okay. I make two pictures behind this one. Here I want to make sconce, wall light here. Okay, and also this part just do. Okay, just do. I think right now, move to next step. I can start to